Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to email Google Sheet. Friends, if you want to email a Google Sheet, then you need to click on File. Now here you will find Email. Now click on Email this file. Now here enter the email address of the person to whom you want to send the email. You can also copy this email to yourself. Now here enter the message. Now from here you can select the format of the file and click on send to send the email. So friends, like this you can very easily email Google Sheet. I hope you find this video useful. If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.